Hello there, welcome to another 2-minute review. You know, you've had one of them days where you can't get things working and it just does your head in. And then you think, I'm hungry, I've had nothing to eat. Well, don't worry about it anymore because we've now got maple and barbecue chicken wings, brand new from Bird's Eye. £3 for a box, quite a big box. It's got chicken wings, obviously. There's boiling wheat in it, so you have to be careful. Sugar, spices, and all things nices. Who doesn't love chicken takeaway? With our chicken shop range, you can now get the great taste of takeaway chicken at home. We've taken succulent chicken wings and added a seriously tasty maple and barbecue marinade. A winner chicken dinner. So, how many pieces of chicken do you get? Well, that's a chicken. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pieces of chicken. And what did they taste like? Well, I don't know yet because what are you doing? Get out of the way. I don't know yet because I've not had them. So let's have a dabble, shall we? It's going to get messy. It's going to get messy. Right. This is quite a little scrawny one, to be fair. It's really tender. Another scrawny one. It's very, very tender. Very, very tender indeed. It's got a bit of a taste to it. A smoky taste, obviously. It's alright. You know what? I think I've only had 2. Oh yeah, now I can feel more tangy. So I'm going to give these a very strong 4 out of 5. That's 4 stars for the Bird's Eye maple and barbecue chicken wings. Give them a go, they're alright.